Alright, figure I'd do an update video on a certain car that's kind of turned into a table. I just realized S14. I mean, it's kind of obvious. Y'all know me well enough. Another SR20. It's pretty much the same as the last engine. It just didn't go to Mazworse. Their wait time was like another 6 months or something like that, and it was gonna be like another, I think it was like $4 grand or something like that. I don't have that kind of money, so I ended up going through one of my friends. They have an old school machine shop local to them, and they went back through it, replaced the sleeves that were damaged. Actually, no, they replaced all 4 sleeves, new pistons. Redid the valve guides because they were a little outside of spec or right on the edge of its limits, and they got it done quick. I want to say I gave it to them. I don't know. It took like maybe a month or so after they got a couple parts that they were waiting on, but they did a really good job. Went back through it, had to clean a couple things. The head was a little gross. Of course, I didn't realize that until after I put the head on the block, but I just ended up hanging it upside down and just spraying it really good with some brake cleaner. But timing set. I just got to put all the accessories on and find stuff that I've been kind of missing. I hate doing stuff like this and using my hood as a table, but as you can see, I don't really have any room in here, and my tables I think are in my enclosed in Millington. So that's a table. Yeah, I need to clean this garage. It's bad. This is the worst it's been. Like, I need to throw a bunch of that stuff away or something. Got all these engines. There's two engines over there. One's going in the car I just showed you on the video before this one. But I might do a quick sneak peek. Yeah. So let's go on to my buddy's car, and this is a VHR. I have a 370Z, and it's going in that G35 sedan. I am waiting on a custom harness from a place called Guilty Garage. They say it takes 2 to 6 months, and he's had the harness for about 5. So fingers crossed that's done soon. I really want to just put that engine in there, make sure I have like the right drive shaft and all that stuff, and all my sensors and stuff I want to add, and then I want to pull it out and go ahead and do like the gallery gaskets. Figure out a way to get the AC to work, because everybody says it's kind of tricky to do. There's some sort of resistor or something you got to wire in line or something. I don't know, but it seems like a fairly easy swap. There's a couple guys that have already done it, filmed it. I might film it, probably will, just because it's kind of an interesting swap. It's kind of an interesting swap because like the DE engines are great. You can beat the crap out of them. They're good. Literally, you just put oil in it, make sure it's got coolant and all that stuff, and they're usually really good. But one thing I learned, like my old G sedan, it was a DE car. It just needed 50 to 100 more horsepower to be really good. People wouldn't run away from me. You won't have to cut the line short to keep up with people. That's when I came across this whole idea. One of my buddies Brennan Daniels, you'll probably know him or follow him. He parts out these cars all the time. He posted up the whole drivetrain swap for a pretty damn good deal. And I was like, I saw that G35. Let's put that in there. Let's try something different. And then came across other people that make, the swap kit and all this other stuff. And I was like, you know what? Let's just do that. I think it'll be cool. Be different kind of. And it seems to be somewhat inexpensive to do, minus the, the money for the engine harness. But, yeah. So that should be a good project. That one might take a while, depending on, I need to get this thing done, this S14. It needs a lot of body work. I need to get, a new body kit. It needs paint. I need to order a livery for it, which we'll show that later. And I just want to drive the 14 again. It's been down for a year and 4 months or 5 months, which is sad to say. But yeah, let me I'll maybe time lapse putting that thing together. I don't really know. I don't really like filming stuff like this that's repetitive, it seems like to me, because I've done it so many damn times. But might do a little bit, maybe a couple little updates when I get to a good point. But yeah, let's get to it. I guess this would be a good time to introduce my new puppy, Zinky. I don't know if you can see his name tag, but alright, that's where I'm at so far. I might work on it a little bit more. See a fly? I like chasing flies. But I think I'm probably done for this video, and this is just going to be a short one. Got a lot of crap going on I got to figure out. What are you doing, buddy? Zinky, what are you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here. You scared of the fly? Alright, we'll go in a minute. But yeah, I figured I'd just do a real short video. Just kind of a little update on what's going on with projects and whatnot. I'm going to try and post more. I've just been busy, got a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, I might work on this just a little bit more. But thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and please hit that little subscribe button. I looked, and it's 58 or 60% of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. Or actually, no, it's 60 something. But yeah, just hit that subscribe button. It really does help a lot. But once again, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.